Well, hey everybody! Are you having as much fun at VBS as I am? We are here to build a birdhouse. I got the plans from a good friend of mine, Dan Collins, who used to be a missionary. So here's what we're gonna do. We got this handy bag of nails right here. And hopefully this will actually stay together once it's done. We're about to find out. So we'll take this little piece here, pre-drilled, start some nails right in here. You like that? Isn't that a cute hammer? Then we'll take this little doohickey right here. That's the technical term, doohickey. And we'll start that right there. See? Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, look what happened. We're gonna have to redo it just a little bit. But look, we can rebuild. Because we don't want a nail sticking out. There we go. See? Just like that. Now we'll take this second piece. Are you all with me? Try not to nail under the table. And then we take that right here. See if we can't line that up a little bit. Line that up a little bit there. Boom, you like that? Look at that. Professionalism at its finest. Then we take these little side doohickeys here. You guys feel the concentration here? Whew. And make sure that lines up at the bottom right here. Line up the corner and the bottom right there. Same thing, corner and the bottom. Ish. Right? Because that's how a professional framer does it. Lots of ish. Same thing, grab the corner and the bottom, just square it up some. Start that one, corner and oh! Square it up a little bit more like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Okay, you line it up with the corner and the bottom again. Then we take the last corner right here. Line up the last corner. Right there, look at that, a professional grade A birdhouse. Feeder. Or bird feeder.